Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2017 Nissan Pathfinder? In this guide, we will explore where to find the fuse box, how to identify each fuse, and what they control to help you troubleshoot electrical issues efficiently. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 Nissan Pathfinder protects critical components like the engine control unit, cooling system, and ignition system. It prevents electrical overloads and ensures reliable vehicle operation. The box is designed for easy identification and maintenance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2017 Nissan Pathfinder houses essential fuses for interior electronics, including lights, infotainment, and power accessories. It provides circuit protection to prevent electrical overloads. The panel is conveniently located for easy access and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.